Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Photoshop for mock-up designs. First, open Photoshop and import the image that you want to work on. Now, create a duplicate layer of your image by pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Next, select the Object Selection tool from the side menu. Carefully create a selection around your object. After making the selection, create a new layer. Now, go to your second image. Copy this image by selecting your layer and then pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then, paste your image into the background layer of your first image. Adjust it according to your product size by using the Transform tool, which you can access by pressing Ctrl+T. Once your image is adjusted, right-click on Layer 2 and select Convert to Clipping Mask. This will clip the second image to the shape of your selection, making it fit perfectly onto your object. Next, duplicate your background layer again by pressing Ctrl+J. Drag this duplicated layer to the top of the other layers in the Layers panel. Set the blending mode of this top layer to Linear Burn. Right-click on your second copy of the background layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This will enhance the blending of your design with the original image, giving it a more realistic look. And that's it. You've successfully created a mock-up in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Tech Tricks tutorials. Thanks for watching.